फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इस बार हम चल रहे हैं चायल एंड ये हिमाचल प्रदेश में है, शिमला से 45 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है। सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस वन। मैं कभी नहीं गई हूँ बट सुना बहुत है दैट यू गेट द हिल्स प्लस यू गेट द फॉरेस्ट वाइब एज वेल एंड लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड फॉर द ट्रिप। कम। फाइनली वी गॉट अ प्लेस टू ईट मैगी। मैं बहुत देर से वेट कर रही थी कि मुझे मैगी खानी है एंड फाइनली मुझे मैगी मिल रही है एंड इट लुक्स रियली यम द वे ही इज मेकिंग। So guys, we've reached Chail and we have booked the hotel. It's Child Residency. A beautiful property, beautifully made and beautiful view at the back. Obviously my husband also, all right. So just look at the sunset. I'm just enjoying it. So who will not fall in love with this? Obviously I'm already done here. Superb. It's beautiful. Isn't it lovely? Right now I'm heading to Kali Mata Mandir, which is also known as Kali Ka Tibba, and I've heard that you get best view of Chail from this mandir. So I'm really looking forward to it and to enjoy the view and to take blessings from Ma Kali. Isn't it beautiful? You get the full view of Chail here. Just look at it. It's a surreal feeling here. You feel like you're walking in heaven. Ma Kali and this. I cannot describe my feelings in words. It's just, it can be felt. It's a must visit if you plan to visit Chail or if you even plan to visit Shimla. Do not miss Kali Ma Tibba. You will actually see the complete Chail and you'll see the beautiful forest. You'll see the beautiful hills over here and the feeling is just beyond my words. Must. So guys, if you can see the mountains covered with snow, white mountains, it's lovely. Wow. Guys, हम लोग दर्शन करके अभी काली माँ के टिब्बा से निकले हैं और अभी पहले खाना खाएंगे, फिर हम जाएंगे पैलेस and looking forward to it. Now a heritage hotel, Chail Palace happened to be the royal mansion of Maharaja Bhupendra Singh. During British India, he was expelled from Shimla because of his dalliance with the high official's daughter. Then he later took it on his ego and he decided to construct his own palace better than the Shimla. He decided to construct better summer capital than Shimla and he actually did it. The palace has a Victorian feel to it and is adorned with vintage artwork and classic architecture. The hotel now is a warm reminder of the glorious days that the palace must have seen under the patronage of the royal family. So guys, this was Chail Palace. I hope you also enjoyed just like we did. Perfect spot for picnic as well. Children will love here. You have an open garden here. People are getting their pre-wedding shoots, post-wedding shoots and it's Lovely to be here. I strongly recommend you, if you are planning for picnic, do come here. Now it's time to go to Fagu. Please stay tuned with me. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So guys, we have finally reached Fagu. This place is called Fagu because of its fog. It's mostly covered with fog, as you can see right behind me. So we have booked a homestay here. I love doing homestays, and Mr. Sharma is the host here, and I was happy I'm also Sharma. We got a very reasonable rate here with breakfast included. In morning they'll be serving us with the traditional dish of Himachal. So let's come and have a room tour. This is my home for one day. This is what you have. So the bathroom is also very nice. It's good. And this is your cupboard where you can keep all your stuff. So you've been provided with one extra quilt, some extra pillows, and cherry on top is they have provided you with the sleepers also. This time I forgot to pick my slippers, so I was really like wearing shoes all the time. So this is my home. I love this place. Now it's my favorite time, dinner time. So we've got our dinner in this lovely box. I do feel like having all. Okay, so we have some salad, some lukewarm water. So I can't wait to have my food. Really starving, so let's just jump on it. I'm totally a rice person, but if it's butter naan, then I'm totally in it. Okay, this is dal. Okay, mushrooms. This really looking tempting, delectable. Let's dig in. So good morning guys, it's a lovely morning in Fagu. So we woke up early in the morning and we saw the sunrise and it was surreal. We have ordered Siddu. Mr. Sharma specially made it for us on our request, which is so sweet of him. So we are gonna have Siddu, which is a traditional dish of Himachal. So we have this pure desi ghee. They have their own cow, so no adulteration in this. Here we have curd, and here we have Siddu. This is how a Siddu looks like. So I can't wait to tell you how this tastes like. So let's dig in. Lovely. So there are two types of Siddu. What we just had was this namkeen one, and now we'll have the meetha one. See? So see the filling. Oh god, too tempting. So I can't wait to taste it. Don't miss the local food whenever you're traveling to some other state. Don't forget to taste the traditional food over there, because you'll always keep in your memories. So guys, the secret behind our lovely breakfast is right with me, Rajesh Bhaiya. He has specially made Siddu for us on our request. He was so sweet that he agreed that yes, he'll make it. So please tell us something about Siddu.
जैसा जी हमारा ये सीडू है, लोकल है, हमारा लोकल डिश है हमारी सीडू। इसमें जैसे हमारा मीठे के लिए जैसे बनता है सीडू, और कोकोनट किशमिश इसमें पड़ता है, इसमें शक्कर उससे बनता है सीडू। और जैसे नमकीन, इसके लिए जैसे नमकीन के लिए जैसे हमारे पास तिल, आपका आलू वो डाल करके मसाले पड़ते हैं इसमें, जैसे धनिया पाउडर या जीरा पाउडर ऐसे करके, और इसमें दाख वगैरह किशमिश भी पड़ती है इसमें।
Thank you so much. That was too sweet of you that you made it for us. What's better than you having the mountain view right in front of you and you're in a swing? Yippee! We are doing the trekking here, and you can see the right behind me. Within the forest, inside the forest, you have the tree house. Wow! यहाँ पे ट्री हाउस है, आप इसके ट्री हाउस की बुकिंग भी कर सकते हैं. आप बॉनफायर भी है आपके लिए यहाँ पे. एंड थोड़ा सा जब आप आगे जाओगे तो आप वहाँ पे देखोगे ट्रीज जो हैं वो वाइट शीट से कवर किए हुए हैं. वो वाइट शीट से कवर क्यों किए हुए हैं? इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम द फॉग. Then you can see over there the cauliflower plantation is there. Cauliflowers are being planted there. So this is our new little friend. So I am enjoying the stay here. Wow. So guys, this is the bichu grass. If you mistakenly touch it, the whole day you will be just doing the itching, and it will hurt you as well. So whenever you're doing the trek in a forest, be aware of this type of grass. So we do love rajmas a lot. In plain areas, rajma chawal is the famous food. Every Punjabi is like always crave for the Punjabi rajma chawal. But in Himachal, the rajmas are a little different. So come, I'll show you. See, this is how the rajma of Himachal grows. So I'll just show you one. Let's just peel it off. This is how जैसे आप मटर छीलते हो. Just look at it. Just look at the beauty. These are the Himachal rajmas, and they are very very famous. And I'm just so happy seeing these things here. So come, I'll show you a few more things. What's in my hand? Apple. So where did I get this? Just here. You can see beautiful apple on trees. They are so pretty. There are different varieties of apples here. Golden apple, royal apple. So I already have 3 in my hand, and they are extremely sweet. Like, it's just not for the video. They are really juicy and very very sweet. Just don't go on the size of the apple. So the reason why I'm having this experience is right here. He is the reason why I'm able to taste such delicious apples. I was able to see the vegetable plantation, the rajmas, everything. I owe a lot to him. Thank you भैया. Because of you मैं ये देख पाई हूँ. मेरी लाइफ टाइम मेमोरी है कि मैंने एक्चुअल में ये चीज़ें देखी हैं कि ये कैसे उगती हैं. और आपको बहुत थैंक यू
सो मच जी. थैंक यू वेरी वेरी थैंक यू जी.
ये है राजेश भैया. हमारा होम स्टे है मधुसूदन. डोंट फॉरगेट टू कम हियर एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू स्टे एट मधुसूदन. After Fagu, we visited Shimla. Shimla is the capital of beautiful state of Himachal Pradesh. It is undoubtedly the vacation spot for many people. People come here in summers to beat the heat and enjoy its coolness. You can do lots of shopping here. You have horse riding and variety of food items. The Mall Road, church and Jakhu temple are the attractions of Shimla. From Kalka, you can visit Shimla in toy train and enjoy the nature. If you love hustle bustle, then Shimla is the right place for you. So guys, this is it. Our trip has come to an end, and as you can see, I'm still enjoying my apples. So thank you for watching my video till the end. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Do share with your friends if you really like it. Thank you.